Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, yes. Are you already settled? Settled your chair, TV, camera, videos, everything. We are learning the lesson in fragments. We are learning the lesson part by part. After the completion, you have to read one time fully, continuously. Then you write the answer. In this way, you will improve. I could go through your answers. Most of the students have written minute mistakes will be there. That is why you are students, isn't it? So, but take a little more care so that you may be able to score better marks in the coming exams. And one thing I want to inform you, I had sent a paper cutting today in the morning about the CBSE rules. One paper cutting I have sent. So that means maybe this year, if Corona continues, COVID continues, maybe if there comes any kind of disturbance in the examinations, CBSE will be recording your classes. CBSE is going to record your exams and all these things. You are going to become international students then. So now I inform you, you will have to get a uniform. Clear now? Because if you sit like this and if it goes to CBSE site, will they agree that you are the students? No. So in the coming exams, you may have to sit with the uniform sometimes. Clear. The classes may not be needed. Sometimes we may take certain particular classes recorded and keep it. So for those things, you need a uniform. So we will inform you the day when the tailor comes. On that day, you will have to come and give the measurement. We have to be ready with the uniform, at least one set, minimum for the exams. All should be present on uniform. So we are planning. So I inform you a little early because CBSE has told that they are forming certain format in order to record each and every school. Okay. So I will inform you timing and all this. I inform you. Just I convey the message. Clear. And all of you take important steps to learn very well, because if you are writing the exam, your mark will be uploaded on the same days like a public exam. Clear now? Your unit exams, your half yearly exams, your periodic exams, your model exams, it will be recorded. And all on a sudden, we will have to upload the marks also. So suppose, not confirm, suppose it is an expectation. Suppose this year again, maybe in the month of next 2022 January, February, March, Corona comes strongly, and suppose the classes went on well, our half yearly and revision model exams went on well, may be a chance that public exam is cancelled again. Suppose. So CBSE will not ask us mark because your marks are there with them. You are helpless, we are helpless, isn't it? By the same time, the mark will be uploaded to CBSE. On the basis of those exam marks, they will give you the result. So the coming exams are very, very important. This is not to get afraid, but to become aware, to become serious. Don't take exams silly. Clear now? I inform you little early because without knowing, you should not be, you will be in trouble. That is why in the beginning, I told you the forthcoming exams are very important. Number two, about the uniform, I will inform you the date of measurement. On that day, you have to come and give the measurement. Okay. Now, let us go to the next lesson. First flight, we are going to the poem, the ball poem, page number 46. Ball poem. One thing more I want to inform you, you are only 37 students. And approximately you are taking for 12 to 15 minutes to enter. Here you see Ashik Pateri has entered the class 11:35. Now the last one entered here, Pratyush entered by 11:55. So that boy is waiting to begin the class 20 minutes. I take the first side here, last here. So these many students, these students are waiting for this fellow 20 minutes out of 50 minutes. Till now, I could not begin the class, isn't it? So try to enter the class. I did not keep any waiting room. So enter the class fast. 11:35, please enter the fast. Maximum 3, 4, 5 minutes you take within. And the thing is that, let us come. Now, we are entering into a new poem, the ball poem. Simple poem, very simple, but it conveys a single thought. Usually, poems are written with a single experience. The content of the poem, the message of the poem may be a single thought, but it is developed in a different way with images so that the reader may get the idea in an elaborated way. Elaborated way. Here, the ball poem written by John Berryman, the poem is about a small child. The poem is written on the background of a small kid, I would say, a small child. I would say a child studying in class 1 or 2, a child. We cannot call you child. Why? Hence, we cannot call you a child. Why? Why? Can anyone say? Answer. We cannot call you a child. Age.
Adolescent.
Hmm?
Adolescent.
I am a
Maturity.
maturity is there. That means I don't have maturity. Only you have maturity. Simple answer. Sir, I am not a child. Clear, isn't it? It's called Amina, Meghna. So Amina, what will say? Sir, I am not Meghna. I am Amina. Clear now. There are why I say some people think that Joshi sir asks a difficult question. He asked a difficult question. In between, I ask a simple question. So you will think as a difficult and your answer will be wrong. This time I gave you a simple question paper. Yesterday, day before yesterday, Prajol said that simple question paper, easy question paper, isn't it? Paper was easy. I asked, how was the paper? Easy. Next time, I will give once again easy. In between, I will give a tougher one. So you think that Josie sir always gives easy ones. That means simple answer. Why are you not called a child? Melvin, what is the answer? Why are you not called a child? Because simple answer, I am not a child, sir. Then what are you? I am a teenage. Clear now? Very simple answer. What are you? I am a teenage. Childhood days from from 5
12,
onwards. 5 onwards. 5 to around 10, 11. The course of life of man is like that: infant, baby, child, teenage, youth, adulthood. Clear now? Infant, newborn baby, infant. Then comes a baby, LKG, UKG. When you come to class 1, you are a child. Childhood. You should know that. Childhood. When you come next year, we will study what is childhood. Poem is there. Childhood poem. Then comes teenage. Sir, I am a teenager. I am not a child. Clear now? So here the poem is, I told why he is a child. Reason is there that you will understand. If I forget, you can ask me, sir, why did you keep the boy as a child? Then I will tell the answer. I will tell. If I didn't tell, you can ask me. So in the poem, what is narrated? Understand very clearly. Then I will read the poem. You have to understand this introduction. The poet looks at a boy. The poet looks at a child. Child was playing with a ball. Child was playing with a ball. The child was dribbling the ball. The child was bouncing the ball. He was playing with the ball. Very good. The poet was enjoying how cute he is, how smart he is. He is playing with a ball. He is playing with a ball. All on a sudden, he loses the ball. The ball goes out from his hand. The ball fell into a small pool of water. I would say a pond, small pond, a small pond, small kulam, isn't it? Why I say pond? The child cannot enter the pond because it is deep. So I called him a child. A child could not enter the pond because it was deep. The ball was wet. The ball went into the bottom of the water. The child lost his ball. What the child will do? The child will stand there and it will cry. The child will stand there and it will cry. Amina, if you lose a ball, will you cry? Ah, She would say, my Uppapa has 100 annas. And Uppapa ഒരു ആന ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? My Uppapa has money. My Uppapa will bring 100 bowls. I am going. Let the bowl go. That is why I told he was a child. If he were you, what you would do? The poem cannot be written. The poet cannot write the poem because you are going. But what happened when the poet was looking at him? Rifa, when the poet was looking at him, the child was standing there stubbornly. Stubbornly. What the child would say, Lolita? Stubbornly, what would the child say? In Malayalam, he says, എനിക്കെന്റെ ball വേണം. I want my ball. Clear now? The child would say, I want my ball. That is why I called him a child. Child considers everything as his own. We have to come with this psychology. Then only you will learn the poem. Clear now? You come to a baby. You give him a golden chain, 5 pounds. 5 pounds means around 1 lakh rupees, 1.5 lakh rupees. You give that chain to the baby, and afterwards you ask, give me. What the baby will do? The baby will give you. The baby of 2 years or 3 years will give you. It does not think about the value of the chain. Its habit is to give you. On the second birthday of a child, you give a gift to him, a watch or a ball, any gift. After 2 days, you go and ask him what he will say. This is mine. This is mine. Clear? This is a transition. That is why I called him as a child. Do you understand me? Do you follow me? Can you understand me? You
Yes,
should
sir.
you
Yes,
should
sir.
understand. You should understand this psychology, the mind of the child. So the child stood there and began to cry, asking his ball. The rest we will see in the poem. Okay, take the poem. The rest we will see in the poem. Take the poem. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? The poet sees the boy has lost the ball. The poet says, what is the boy now? What will the boy do now? What will the boy do now? The boy who has lost the ball. In other way, my dear students, my dear readers, the poet writes, my dear readers, what do you think about the boy who has lost his ball? You don't know, so I am going to tell you. Clear now? You don't know. What will he do? That is why I tell you. Can you follow me this style?
Yes, sir.
Surely, only one answer I got it.
Yes, sir.
You follow me. If you didn't catch, you attend. I repeat many times, isn't it? So this is the style we have to understand the poem hereafter. This is the style you have to write in paragraph answers. Not simply by heart something. No, you have to understand all these denotation and
Connotation.
connotation. Denotation and connotation. Don't forget these two words in literature. Denote, connote. Denote means word meaning. Word meaning. Connote, C-O-N-N-O-T-E. Connote means inner meaning, indirect meaning. In Malayalam, you study Vachyartham, Vyengyartham. I think so. You have studied, I think, Malayalam. Have you
No,
studied?
sir.
No. Oh. Vachyartham means word meaning. Meaning of the word. That is denotation. Connotation means, that is called Vyengyartham in Malayalam. That is called indirect meaning. What you intend. What you intend. This thing, you may not understand the meaning now. Later you will understand. What I have studied a lesson in class 2. In class 2 in 1965. How many years ago? Around 55, 56 years ago. I understood the meaning when I was 45 years old. At the age of 6, I studied one lesson of class 2. And the meaning of the lesson, 3 sentences. The lesson had only 3 sentences. No homework, no exercise, no fill in the blanks, nothing. Only 3 sentences. I understood the meaning at my age 45, after 40 years. So that I will tell you later. Not all the secrets will be told now. You have to wait up to December. You have to wait up to end of the year. All the secrets will not be there. What will happen? John Samuel will get all the secrets for me and he will leave the place. And he will not attend the class then. Isn't it, John Samuel? So I will give my clues at the end of the year. Melvin, isn't it? At the end of the year, you have to wait. Wait and sit. Okay. So the poet says to us, the readers, what the boy will do, I will tell you. I saw it go merrily bouncing. I saw the ball moving. I saw the ball moving. How? Bouncing, bouncing, dribbling. I saw it merrily bouncing down the street. Down the street. He was playing here. From his hand, it is gone out. It was going out, 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 out. There it is in the water. It went and it reached the water. If you were there, what would you ask? What a foolish fellow that. What a nonsense boy that he could run and catch the ball. Am I right? You would have asked, what a nonsense fellow. Looking at the ball going to the water, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose mama has fallen down. Not your mother, my mother, my mother, my mother. My mama had fallen down. I was there nearby. And she had broken her leg. She had broken her leg. And bleeding was from the nose. And I am sitting there nearby and crying. Oh, my mama had fallen down. Her leg is broken. Bleeding is from the nose. What shall I do? What shall I do? If I cry, will it be sensible? At that time, Rifa come over there. Then Rifa asked me, Josie sir, what are you doing there? Take her to hospital. Why are you crying here? Nonsense. Clear now? Clear now?
Yes,
If
sir.
you look at the boy there, the same answer, Nirupama, you will tell. What a nonsense you are. What a boy you are. Simply standing there and crying. You should run to the ball. You should catch the ball. You should not permit cricket. Who is that Kohli? Who is the captain of Indian cricket? Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli made a hit. It was going to four. When the ball is going parallel to the ground, it is called four, isn't it?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it? Six goes up above the sky, isn't it? On the ground, it is four. So, one person, another man, Chahar. Chahar is there in cricket.
Yes, sir.
Chahar is there. One name I am.
Yes, sir.
Chahar is there. Oh, how the ball is going. He is enjoying. The ball is going for boundary, boundary. Next match, Chahar will not be there. Chahar will not be there. What is the duty of Chahar, Savio? He has to break his leg and hands and catch the ball. Stop from four. This is the answer you are going to give to the boy. Why are you standing there? Go and catch the ball. That is why I called the boy. What? Child. Child. Now you got the answer, isn't it? Many, many answers I told you. So, bear it in the water. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. Because, Philip, no use to say, my boy, there are other balls. What will be? Because I put a fill of the blank. Because, what is the meaning? Rest of the things, can you fill up? Can you fill up?
Other balls has also gone there.
No, no, no. You should be sensible. The poet says,
Love for the ball.
no use to say to him, oh, my dear boy, there are other balls with me. Because there is
He's
no
a
use.
child.
Because he is a child. He wants not the other balls, but
His own ball.
his own ball. Clear now? This concept you have to be thorough. Otherwise, the poem will be useless. This concept should be thorough. Rizwan, are you feeling hungry? I will finish after 10 minutes. Okay, so you see, there is no use to tell him, I will give you 100 balls, Amina. Papa, Value Papa, if says, I will give you 100 balls, no meaning, Value Papa, I want my ball, isn't it? Am I right? I want my ball. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. Underline. Now say underline. Take with the pencil. Nas. Underline with the pencil. Nas is watching film, isn't it? Movie. Okay. Okay. An ultimate shaking grief. An ultimate shaking grief. A great sorrow. A great sorrow. Pain. Shuddering pain. Shuddering. Not shuddering. Shuddering. SHUDDER. Shuddering. A shuddering pain. catches the boy, catches the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down. Can you tell me, those who attended the class, I will ask, can you tell me a single word for these three words together? Stands rigid, trembling, staring.
sad,
Hmm? I used in
sad,
the class. Eh?
sad,
No, 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 no. I told in the class. Did you attend or not? Hmm? Anyone? I told that word here in the
Fear.
beginning. Not fear.
configuring,
No, 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 no.
Upset.
No, no. Try. Stubbornly, I told in the class, isn't it? Stubbornly. 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 With great washing. With great demands. With great demands. Rigid. Strict. Trembling. Trembling with trembling with anger, trembling with fear, trembling with stubborn character. When somebody is getting angry, what will happen? His hands will be shivering, isn't it? You watch films, movies, isn't it? In the movies, the villains come. What will happen? His body will be shivering. Savio, isn't it? Am I right? In the movies? He watches movies. That shows he watches movies. That is why he said yes. Okay. So you see, as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor, underline, all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. All his young days. Here, young days means all his past experiences with the ball. That is the meaning. All his young days means all his past experiences with the ball. With the ball. Now you got the point. Why? Where is Rifa? Rifa? Do you got the point now? Why did the boy stand there? Why didn't he go there? Go with the ball? Because when the you have to think creatively, you have to think with imagination, you have to think with this image, you have to relate the poem with our life. You should become little more small. I think you are becoming Einsteins. When you study science, you become Einstein. Hmm? When you study science, physics, chemistry, and biology, you sit like Einsteins. When you come to literature, loose heart, loose body, you see, loose body, loose mind, not psychic, flexible mind. You have to imagine. You have to match yourself with the character of the literature. Now you have to come down to the level of a child. Then only you will understand the poem. Now, who am I? A 6-year-old child. For these 50 minutes, Josie sir is equal to a 6-year-old child. My ball is gone. My ball is gone. I was standing there. The ball was rolling and rolling and rolling and reaching to the water. While the ball was rolling and rolling, my past memories was going together with the ball. My ball with which I was playing. My ball I kicked many times. My ball I washed many times. My ball holding which I slept many nights. You see, you see, my past memories. Now, Rifa is thinking this much meaning is there in this poem, in this one line. Eh? I think you thought just a minute, isn't it? Ah, wow. This is poem. This is literature. This is literature. So, together with the ball, he recollected his past memories with the ball. Ashik, are you getting? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down, all his young days into the harbor, which is the harbor side of the pond, not Cochin Harbor. It is not Cochin Harbor, side of the pond. His, psychologically speaking, his attention, his experience gone to the side of the pond together with the ball. It is a psychic experience. It is what is called in your language mental. If you say mental, Ashik, what is the meaning? Josie sir has some isn't it? Isn't it? You see, your imagination goes with the ball, and the ball is in the pond. My mind reached there. That's the meaning. Together with the ball, the child's mind reached the ball. Clear now? That is what is called, it is into the harbor where his ball went. I would not intrude on him. Here, intrude means enter without permission. Intrude word meaning it is enter without permission. Intrude, intruder. But here meaning interfere. 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 Because I know the psychology of the child. So there is no meaning to tell him, no problem, no problem. The child will tell me, what? You say what? No problem, no problem. It is a problem for me. Clear now? So I won't go there. I won't go there. My ball is lost. And you came and tell me that no problem, no problem. It is a problem for me. So I will not go and talk to him. I am afraid. I will not interfere. I will not tell him, I will give you 100 balls, Amina. I will not tell you. Because if I bring 100 balls, Amina will say, what's the 100 balls? May I want my ball. I want my ball. Because I am a child. Josie sir is 6 years old only. Clear now? Clear? Yes, okay. So, harbor where his ball went, I would not intrude him. So I do not want to interfere or intrude your midday lunch. Mummy is waiting for you to have the lunch. So you can go and have your lunch. The rest we will see in the next class. Okay. The important
sir.
part is coming. Important part is coming. Now history is over. Now message is coming. That we need much more time. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome.